Unit 11, Part A, Activity 3A. Copy the sentences about a fire drill into your notebook and put them in the right order. Welcome to my instruction session for the fire drill. I want to make a few points before we begin the actual practice. Firstly, when you hear the alarm, stay calm and walk to the emergency exit. Do not run or push each other because it will delay your exit and might lead to people falling over. Next, it's very important to take the alarm seriously, even during our practice. So leave the building immediately. If the building is filling up with smoke, stay low on the floor and crawl. Smoke goes up, so if you stay low, you'll have more oxygen and a clearer view. Also, don't inhale the smoke because it's very bad for your lungs. When you exit the room, leave the lights on. When the firefighters arrive, it helps them see the room better. Moreover, watch out for the hot door handles. Before opening any door, check for smoke and touch the handle or door first. Never open a door that is hot or has smoke coming through, because there must be a fire behind it. After you leave the room, close the door. It helps slow the fire down by stopping oxygen from moving round the building easily. Once you're outside, move away from the building. People always want to watch, but by doing so, they might block the firefighters from doing their job. It's safer to be far away, since no one knows when the building might fall or explode. Finally, wait for permission. You should not enter the building unless the firefighters say it's safe. All right, that's the end of this session. Does anyone have a question before we begin our fire drill? Unit 11, Part B, Activity 1B. Listen, check and repeat. Outdoors. Landslide. Hurricane. Blizzard. Volcanic eruption. Indoors. Thunderstorm. Electrical fire. Unit 11, Part B, Activity 2A. One of Somnang's co-workers asked him to repeat the fire drill instructions. Listen and fill in the gaps.
Hello, how was the fire drill yesterday?
Hey, Chanti. It was very useful. The instructor gave us lots of instructions before beginning the drill.
Can you summarize them for me? I was absent because of my terrible cold.
Sure. When you hear the fire alarm, don't panic and quickly leave through the emergency exit. Don't stay in the building or think that the alarm is false, because that's dangerous. Next, don't walk across the room when it's full of smoke.
Isn't it faster to walk?
Although it's faster to walk, the smoke is very dangerous. Never inhale too much smoke. It's bad for your lungs, and the lack of oxygen can make you faint easily. Also, you won't be able to see clearly, so crawling is the best way. When you exit the room, always leave the lights on, and don't ever open the door without checking. If the handle or the door is hot, there is a high chance that there is fire behind it. Once you confirm that the door is safe, always close the door after you exit to cut off the oxygen from entering the room.
When can I go back to work?
You really love working. Well, there are 2 more commands after you leave the building. Don't ever crowd in front of the building, and never re-enter without permission from the firefighters.
Okay, I got it. Thanks, Somnang.
You're welcome.
Unit 11, Part B, Activity 3. Copy the sentences into your notebook. Listen and circle the words that are stressed. Example: don't go near the windows. One. Don't ever stay outdoors. 2. Never leave the building. 3. Don't ever open the door before checking. 4. Always wait for permission. 5. Call the police officers. 6. Never drive over rocks.